lose your grip, can break your fall. Dreaming your confession, you float away, drowning your obsession. What are you afraid of when you close your eyes? Drifting through the darkness, paralyzed. What are you afraid of that holds you down? Screaming in the silence without a sound. What are you afraid of? Afraid of? Used to fly above the clouds. Now something keeps you buried underground. Dreaming your confession, you float away, drowning your obsession. What are you afraid of when you close your eyes? Drifting through the darkness, paralyzed. What are you afraid of that holds you down? Screaming in the silence without a sound. What are you afraid of? Afraid of? What are you afraid of when you close your eyes? Drifting through the darkness, paralyzed. What are you afraid of that holds you down? Screaming in the silence without a sound. What are you afraid of? Afraid of? What have you done?
Yeah. Can't help but feel it. Can't help but feel this one. Yeah. Excuse me for a minute while I lighten the mood. Just clap with me like the lightning do. Yeah. A bit of soul food that you be biting into. And if you feel me, then I'm writing for you. Right now, put another coat of wax on the ride. For a minute, put the beef and the gats to the side. Cause this track's got a vibe to chill to. Enjoy life for 5 minutes, man. It's not gonna kill you. It's okay to be hard and stay true, man. But at the end of the day, we all human. This one's for you, the ones that you close to. Show some love, it's what you supposed to. Right now, forget the ends and the bends. Pop a cold one, man, toast it with your real friends. Call your folks, tell them you tight now. Cause everything looking pretty good right now.
Right now, baby, we all gon' ride. To place those things on your hips aside. This whole vibe gon' change, give way with fame. But sometimes the more it changes, stay the same. Relax, baby, right now you here, and sit back, baby, with a round of beer, and cheer to those friends you crowded near. For those passed on, in spirit they there. It's gonna be what it must. Break bread with your crew. If you got kids, take the crust. It's all love, baby. Tell your girl she's strong, and whisper in the ear after dinner it's on. And take it slow, baby, cause everything real. When you at family dinner, y'all enjoy that meal. Thank God that you healthy and you keeping it tight, and keep your dreams lighthearted when you sleeping at night.
Yeah. And right now I'm showing love to my brothers and my old man. To my girl, let's get it on like the slow jam. To everybody that I'm running down the road with, y'all my family.